Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Lexus Financial account. So first of all, open your preferred web browser. Click on the search bar and type in lexusfinancial.com. On the top right corner of the navigation bar, you can see login options. Click here. Now you will need your username and password to log in. So type in your username. Type in your password. If you want to save these details in your web browser, then click here. If you have any trouble logging into the account, then click here. Then click login. These are the simple steps to log into your Lexus Financial account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.